Log into your DigitalOcean account. Find Jelastic in the marketplace. Create Jelastic PaaS droplet with default parameters. Choose an account for SSH authentication. Change the droplet's name if necessary. Log into your droplet with SSH's user root. For example, from git bash. Answer yes to the questions. And open URL in browser. At this step, ignore potential risk alert and proceed to the URL. Specify a system user email and domain for your PaaS. Open the PaaS dashboard in a new tab. Use system user email and password you got upon installation. Find Docker Engine CE application in the marketplace, and create a new environment. Log in the engine node, via web SSH. Clone example repository Kafka image building. Build Docker image, and push it to Docker Hub. Open Jelastic Cluster Admin Panel, in a new tab. Open the templates, and add Kafka image, as custom template from Docker Hub repository. Test the new template functionality before publishing. Create an environment with Kafka template. Log in the Kafka node, via web SSH. Clone example repository Kafka image building once again. Run new topic shell script, to create the test topic. Run producer shell script, which will send messages to the test topic. Create another SSH session with the duplicate button. Run consumer shell script to read all the messages from the test topic. Write messages at the producer tab. And check them out at the consumer tab. Publish the new template in JCA. The new custom template is published.